Donald Trump likes to brag about the Trump Organization. He often says it's very successful and his pride and joy. But a grand jury in New York has another word for Trump's family business: criminal. After a nearly 2-year investigation, the Manhattan District Attorney indicted the Trump Organization for financial wrongdoing. Prosecutors say this man, Alan Weisselberg, the Trump Organization's chief financial officer, was one of the top benefactors of the alleged crimes. He worked for Trump for over 40 years. He now faces 15 felony counts. Prosecutors say he orchestrated a 15-year tax avoidance scheme, allegedly avoiding paying tax on $1.7 million in income. He pleaded not guilty, and the judge released him on bail. His next court appearance is September 20th. The 25-page indictment, which was unsealed Thursday afternoon, read in part that Weisselberg attempted to conceal his actions by falsifying records with the help of top executives at the Trump Organization. Who are the other top executives? Prosecutors are not yet saying publicly. Trump Organization lawyers, speaking after the court proceedings ended, said the charges do not rise to the level of a criminal indictment and are politically motivated because they involve the Trump name.
This case should have never been brought. It is a political prosecution. Political prosecutions where people are targeted criminally because the prosecutors disagree with their political beliefs happen in corrupt countries. It does not happen in America. It's un-American. It should not happen here in New York City.
Donald Trump also issued a statement saying the charges are a political witch hunt. It's important to point out that Donald Trump has not been charged with any crime. But legal observers say that if Weisselberg has damaging information and he's willing to cooperate with investigators, that could mean bad news for the former president. But it will all ride on Weisselberg.
I think he's been under pressure for the past 2-3 years to cooperate. He'll continue to be under pressure as the months and years here progress, as this prosecution progresses. But the important part is whether or not he has something to contribute and whether he wants to contribute it. And if he does, perhaps cooperation is something to look forward to in the future.
For now, there are still a lot of unanswered questions on where all of this could lead. Is this the final stage of an investigation, or could this be the first of more charges yet to come against others? Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, New York.